Okay, it's first a question. The second question I think was about Zimun. So if Zimun, I mean it's a long story, but I'm going to just summarize. So if three Jewish men, meaning above the 13 years old, ate together, so they're not allowed to separate, and they have to say special formula before saying Bircas Hamazon. So basically, one is a leader, and he does like invitation. He has the first line, they answer him, the second line, third line, and then right, and it's and then he continues the first paragraph of Birchas Hamazon. So they just follow, like quietly they repeat. Of course, they answer Amen when it's necessary, and then everybody Bentching for themselves. Of course, they continue answer him Amen, and they're not allowed to separate. That's the thing. If we have 10 people, 10 Jews, so then you have you're allowed to say, you're not allowed. You have to say the Hashem's name in that formula. So that's of course higher. It's very special occasion. So you're not allowed to separate. You cannot just say I need to go, unless they say if a person is going to lose money, this and that. But in some cases, person is eating, so he's obligated to stop eating, answer with them, right? Whatever, like listen to the first paragraph, answer Amen. Okay, they continue benching, and you can continue eating. There is no problem. Okay. I mean that's in summary, but of course there are many more details to that. Okay, what else?